Yeah. Some days I forget who I am. But then he reminds me I'm chosen, covered, protected. I'm God's girl. Always have been. Always will be. Woke up with tears on my pillow, heart feeling heavy. But he whispered to my spirit, baby girl, you ready? Every bruise, every scar, every prayer I prayed at night. He took my broken pieces and he turned it into light. People tried to dim me, tried to tell me I was wrong, but he saw the queen in me, he been loving me all along. Even when I doubted, even when I ran away, his arms stay wide open.
Ila te kunusia ya lua.